Every single day, I'm gonna make something great. That's my way. Every single day.
Hey guys, today we have this JioFi device with us. Here's the box. You can see the box. There are some specs listed on it and the MRP below that. That is 2419. Now let's unbox this device. Here, let's see what is all packed inside it. And two boxes. We get two boxes. Let's open the second one. Here's the charging cable, the adapter, the charging adapter, and yes, the battery, and this packet, device itself with some manuals. And let's look at the device. Okay, we can start it from here and the VPS button over here, and let's open it. Here is the charging port, the USB, and the two buttons over here, nothing else. It just this is the rubberized panel inside which we can put our SIM and SD card. And here we can put our battery, and let's boot it up. Let's start. You can see it is starting. It has started. Here was the device. I just did an unboxing and tell you how the device worked. Thanks for watching. Subscribe to my channel and stay tuned.